Hello, thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Now today I'm going to be doing my first Christmas video for 2022. Yes, it's a part of an open collaboration that's called Christmas in July. Now this collaboration is hosted by Courtney over at Amethyst Adventures and Anna at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So be sure to stop by each of their channels when you leave here today, as well as the playlist to check out all of the other creations that will be presented as a part of this open collaboration. The playlist will contain all types of videos with all types of inspiration, and I'm sure that you don't want to miss it. It's not too early to start thinking about what you're gonna do for Christmas, girl, because this first half of this year went by so fast, so it'll be here before you know it. But let me stop talking because I have a lot to do today. So let's go ahead and get started. During the Christmas season last year, I was in a thrift store and found this Sled, and I just put it on my porch for last Christmas season. But my intent in purchasing it was to do a DIY on this Sled and use it inside the home. So I'm going to go ahead and get it ready so that I can use it this Christmas inside my home. I'm going to start off by taking all of the things off of here, this old rusted bell and the bowls and those types of things. I'm going to go ahead and discard those bowls off of there, take the bell off and get it cleaned up, sand it down, and ready to go. Once I cleaned it up, I decided to go ahead and put some spray paint on the bottom of it. The bottom part is metal, and so I want to change the color of that. Red is not really my color, so I'm putting a coat of gold paint on the bottom of the Sled. Christmas in my heart. And the body of the Sled, I decided to go ahead and do that in black. If you've been watching my channel, you know black and gold, they're just my colors. I just love it. So this Sled is going to be black and gold. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be. And now that the Sled is all ready, it's time to go ahead and decorate my table. I'm going to do a tablescape using this Sled that I did the DIY on. And here she is. She turned out so pretty. I love it. I didn't paint the bottom of it because you really won't see it once it's on the table. You may get a little peek of it because of the way that I have my candle, but the way that it'll be on the table, it won't be visible. No, he wouldn't miss this. I've got a piece of garland that I'm going to go ahead and put around the Sled here, and the decorating can begin. With the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Possibilities with this are endless. I'm going to use it just as a regular centerpiece and just go ahead and put some things on here. I have this pick here. And I've got some gold Christmas trees. You're going to see in this video, I'm going to start moving things around a lot, just trying to decide how I want it. I know that I want to use these horns that I got last year. And then I have these gold angels that I'm just going to slide down in the garland. Now, although I'm using this as a part of my centerpiece, this can also be set up on a buffet, and you can put your plates and dishes and things like that if you're a serving cart. There's so many things that you can do with it. I just think it's such a unique piece, and I really, really love it. I thrifted those little candle holders with the antlers on them. I thought they were really different, so I'm going to go ahead and place them on the table as well. And then you got to have a deer if you have a sled, right? So I'm going to put him there. And then I think I'm going to try a lantern here. I played around a lot with this. This is such a fun little piece.
Promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do.
That's the end of today's video. It was so much fun to put together my first tablescape for the Christmas season. I hate to have to take it down, but that's what has to happen now. But if you enjoyed today's video, please don't leave today without giving me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not currently subscribed to my channel and we're just meeting for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't think you'll be sorry. I do a lot of home decor over here, and if that's something that you enjoy, then you want to be a part of the Sister Cousins Lifestyle family. And to my returning family members, thank you so much for stopping back by. I appreciate your ongoing support. I do ask that each and every one of you head on over to our host channels, Courtney and Anna, and check out their videos as well as the playlist. Everything that you need to find them is going to be down in the description box below, and I would like to give a special thanks to them for hosting this open collaboration. Hope to see you all over here on my next video. Bye-bye.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I is coming